Hello children, let us start 9th class chapter Polynomials and factorisation. This is the chapter is dealing with 9th class. Polynomials and factorisation. So before going to this topic, let us have a problem. Forbidden fruit is sweet. What is the meaning of this children? Forbidden fruit means the one which we are not supposed to take. Suppose the doctor has advised not to take or some other reason, then you feel that maybe they are very, very sweet. I wanted to take. Secretly you take. What happens? Your health will spoil. So actually the actual meaning of this children, if anyone says us not to do certain things, we are not supposed to do. Sometimes due to enthusiasm or sometimes due to ego, who are they to say me? I will definitely do. These all things will make us to irrespect their words and start doing whatever we feel like to do. Ultimately, we will fall into some troubles. So, whatever our elders says, all those things are for our good. So remember that children, your elders they all want you to have a good prosper life. For that, sometimes they may restrict you to do certain things. You have to follow them. You have to obey them. Then only you will have good future. Let us come back to our studies children. So you have got in this factorisation in page 32, actually zeros of the polynomial. First I wanted to teach you about what is value of a polynomial. What is this meaning children? Value of a polynomial. Suppose you have got a polynomial p of x is equal to x square plus 5x plus 4, and they have given x value as 1. Then what is the value? What is p of x is equal to how much? That means what children? You have to find out p of 1. Here x means 1 is equal to, wherever x is there, you keep 1 plus 4. How much children? 1 plus 6 plus 4, 11. Therefore, p of 1 is equal to 11 is the answer. Simple substitution children here. Suppose for the same thing, that is p of x is equal to x square plus 5x plus 4. You are asked to go for p of minus 1. So wherever x is there, go for minus 1. Minus 1 whole square plus 5 into minus 1 plus 4. 1 minus 5 plus 4. What are you getting children? 5 minus 5, that is equal to 0. Therefore, p of minus 1 is equal to 0. These are certain, actually two procedures I have taken, which will give you the value, how to determine the value of a polynomial. With this, we will go to the next topic. You have got these sums children. So we will be doing these sums in the next page. Afterwards we will go to the next topic. So first we will go to page 33. Do this. I hope you have understood this children. Just copy it. Now page 33. You are having certain, do these sums. Do this. So what is the first bit children? P of x is equal to 4x square minus 3x plus 7 at x is equal to 1. That means you have to find out p of 1. 4 into 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 7. 4 minus 3 plus 7. How much children? See children, when you have like this, all positive values you add 1, all negative values you add afterwards. Make two statements with positive and negative, then go further. Don't say 4 minus 3, 1, 1 plus 7. That kind of addition is very tedious, and there is a lot of possibility of going wrong. So when I add this 7 plus 4, 11 minus 3. How much I am getting children? 8. So p of 1 is equal to 8 is the answer. Now let us go to the second bit. What is the second bit? Q of y is equal to 2y cube minus 4y plus root 11 at y is equal to 1. That means I have to go for q of 1. 2 into 1 cube minus 4 into 1 plus root 11. That is 2 minus 4 plus root 11. How much I am getting children? Minus 2 plus root 11. I can write it as root 11 minus 2. Therefore, q of 1 is equal to root 11 minus 2 is your answer. So, write down these two bits. Now, let us see what is the third bit. Third bit, r of t is equal to 4t to the power of 4 plus 3 plus 3t cube minus r square plus 6 at t is equal to p. Instead of t, you have to keep p. That means r of t is equal to 4 p to the power of 4 plus 3 p cube minus r cube plus 6. This itself is the answer, children. You cannot get anything because here both of them are variables. This itself is considered as the answer. Now, let us go to the fourth one. S of z is equal to z cube minus 1 at z is equal to 1. So, S of 1 is equal to 1 cube minus 1. 1 minus 1. You are getting 0. So, S of 1 is equal to 0 is the answer. Now, we go to the fifth one. Fifth one is P of x. P of x is equal to 3x square plus 5x minus 7 at x is equal to 1. That means I should do P of 1. 3 into 1 square plus 5 into 1 minus 7. That is 3 plus 5 minus 7. 8 minus 7, 1. Therefore, P of 1 is equal to 1 is the answer. Sixth bit, Q of z is equal to 5z cube minus 4z plus root 2 at z is equal to 2. That means Q of 2. 5 into 2 cube minus 4 into 2 plus root 2. 5 into 2 cube is 8 minus 4 2s are 8 plus root 2. That means 40 minus 8 plus root 2. This can be 40 minus 8 is 32 plus root 2. This is considered as the answer for Q of 2. So I hope you have understood, children. of it. Next, to do this, we have completed. Now let us talk about the next one, zero of a polynomial. Zero of a polynomial. What is the meaning of it? It means the value of x for which p of x is equal to 0 is called zero of the polynomial. Now just now you have seen, children, various sums I have done. For some I got answer as 0, for some I got some other answer. So for whatever values I got 0, those are all considered as zero of the polynomials. So let us see certain examples they have given. Example 1 in page 34. In page 34, we are going to do example 1. They have given p of x is equal to x plus 2. Then you have to find p of 1, p of 2, p of minus 1 and p of minus 2, which become 0. 0 of the polynomial. So let us take first. P of x is x plus 2. So what is p of 1, children? 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3. P of 2, 2 plus 2, that is equal to 4. So again let me take p of x is equal to x plus 2. P of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 plus 2, that is equal to just 1. I am getting it as 1. And P of minus 2 is equal to minus 2 plus 2, that is equal to 0. So what is that he is asking? Which one becomes 0 of the polynomial? So for P of minus 2 I got 0. Therefore we will say that minus 2 is the 0 of the given polynomial. So I hope you have understood, children. The definition is the value of x for which p of x is 0 is called 0 of the polynomial. So when we see example 1 here, this is page 34 example 1, p of x they have given. We have to find out p of 1, p of 2, p of minus 1, p of 2, minus 2. So p of 1 I got 3, p of 2 I got 4, p of minus 1 I got plus 1, p of minus 2 I got 0. So only for minus 2 I got 0, not for other ones. So 0 of the polynomial is minus 2. I hope you have followed, children. Write on. Now example 2. What is this example 2? Find 0 of polynomial p of x is equal to 3x plus 1 If they have given various values, you can determine, children. If they have not given, we know that 0 of a polynomial means if you substitute the value of a variable, you should get 0. So we will say that 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Let 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. What is 3x? Minus 1. X is equal to minus 1 by 3. Therefore, 0 of p of x is equal to minus 1 by 3. This implies p of minus 1 by 3 is equal to 0. So I hope you have followed, children. If they have given you a polynomial and ask you to find out it's a 0, take the polynomial, equalize it with a 0, find out what is x value. That itself is the 0 of the polynomial. So I think you have understood this, children. Complete. Next, we will go to example 3. What is this example 3? Again, find 0 of the polynomial (2x minus 1). So what we are going to do? We will be taking 2x minus 1 as 0. So when you take, let 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. What is 2x? 1. X is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, 0 of the given polynomial is equal to 1 by 2. What does this implies? P of 1 by 2 is equal to 0. So this is about 0 of the polynomial, children. I hope you have followed up to this video. Copy this, children. Next part, I will be doing it in the next class. Children, now we go to the 0 of linear polynomial. 0 of linear polynomial in one variable. Usually the general form of it is ax plus b. What do you mean by linear polynomial? Means if you take these values, substitute in a graph, you will be getting a straight line. That is, so in this case, what will be the 0? Ax plus b is equal to 0. Ax is equal to minus b. X is equal to minus b by a. So always we will be getting only 1 0. For linear polynomials, solution will be only 1. Okay. Now we will go to the example 4. In example 4, verify 2 and 1. 2 and 1 are zeros of x square minus 3x plus 2 or not. Zeros means what, children? When you substitute 2, you should get 0, or 1 you will get 0. So first let us take p of x is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. Now p of 2, 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 2. 2 2s are 4 minus 6 plus 2. That is 6 minus 6, I got 0. So P of 2 is equal to 0. Now go for again. P of x is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. Now P of 1. 1 whole square minus 3 into 1 plus 2. That is 1 minus 3 plus 2. So 3 minus 3, again you are getting 0. So P of 1 is also 0. So what we can say? Both 2 and 1 are zeros of the polynomial. This is your solution. So example 4, I have completed. Go through this. Next. Example 5. If 3 is 0 of x square plus 2x minus a, find a. This is the question, very important, this kind of questions. What did they say? 3 is the 0. So P of x is equal to x square plus 2x minus a. But what they are saying? P of 3 is equal to 0. So what is P of 3, children? 3 square minus 2 into 3 minus a. 9 minus 6 minus a. 3 minus a. What can you say? 3 minus a is equal to 0. 3 is equal to a. Therefore, a value is 3 is your answer. So this kind of problems many times I have seen in the question paper. 9 minus 6. Oh, sorry children, here plus is there. Plus means what you are getting? 9 plus 6 is 15 minus a. So 15 minus a is equal to 0. So sorry children, value is a value is 15. So the problem you have plus here. So 3 square plus 2 into 3 minus a. 9 plus 6 minus a. 15 minus a. This is a. So 15 minus a is equal to 0. 15 is equal to send a there. So a is equal to 15 is the answer. This kind of sums are very, very important. Now the next one is about your exercise. I will be doing the exercise in the next class.